are some effective tips and tricks to improve battery life on your iPhone running iOS 18.2. So let's get started. Firstly, go to the Settings app on your mobile device, and once inside the Settings app, all you have to do is scroll down and tap on the battery option available there. Once inside the battery, simply tap on the battery health option available to check the battery maximize capacity. So here you can see it's 100%, and how you can maintain this is go back again, and there you will get to see charging option available on battery. Tap on it. Now once inside the charging, you can see optimize battery option available there, and make sure the switch is toggled on. Also on the above of optimize battery, you can see charging scale option available. You can see the option is available from 0% to 100, and make sure that you drag the slider to 100%. If it is in any 90, 95 or any other percentage, then drag it to 100 and toggle on the optimized battery settings. Now go back to the settings, and this time simply scroll down and tap on the privacy and security option available in your settings. Then once inside the privacy and security, tap on the location services option available on the top, and make sure the location services is toggled off. Now once you have done so, go back to the settings and again scroll down till the bottom and tap on the apps option available there. Once inside the app, all you have to do is scroll down again and tap on the mail option available. Now once inside the mail, tap on the mail accounts option available on the top. Then you can see fetch new data option available there. Again tap on it, and then toggle off the push notification. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.